Welcome back, America. Today I am doing something totally different and probably crazy and probably dangerous. Today I'm using the Taurus Judge, which this is good for copper-headed rattle moccasins. Going to be using some birdshot. I'm going after a full barrel over to my left, full of water. Let's see what birdshot I do to the barrel. No, guys, I'm just kidding. I'm not doing this. Doing something even more dangerous. I'm going to use a Barrett 50 BMG M95. Going to be using a 750 grain AMAX bullet. And when I fire the trigger, when I pull this trigger, $9 going out the barrel. So guys, about to get started. Let's see what happens to the barrel. Which I don't know if the projectile is going to go all the way through or not. Don't know exactly what's going to happen. We're about to find out. Get my earmuffs on. Get my scope ready. Safety is off. Here we go. Chamber's clear. Again, guys, this is a 750 grain AMAX bullet. See the hole in the front? You missed it, go all the way through. I didn't think this 750 grain AMAX bullet go all the way through, but it did. This barrel is heavy. All right, guys, there's the back.
Two parts.
So a single hole in the front, two holes come out the back. Really, guys, I don't understand that one, but it happened. And on top of all that, and now this barrel is freaking heavy. I was going to show you the lid on top. I don't know if you see it or not, but the lid on top is actually dented in. It wasn't like that, but it is now. But guys, that's not really what I was expecting. I was expecting this barrel to explode. I figured a 750 grain AMAX, which is a Teflon tip over a hollow point, I figured an impact it would explode the barrel. I definitely was not expecting that. But anyway, it's all experimental. But America, hope you like what you've seen. Until next time.